Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the call forwarding on your Redmi 14C. So all you have to do is launch the phone application on your device. And then within the phone app, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And from the options that appear, simply select settings. Within the call settings, scroll down and select calling accounts. Tap on that. And then select call forwarding settings. Now, if you have a dual SIM on your device, choose the SIM that you'd like to use to set up call forwarding for. So I'll select that one. And then give it a few seconds for your device to read the call settings. Now you should see a couple of options. So you can choose to set up call forwarding and always forward your calls, and always forward your calls when busy, forward your calls when unanswered, or unreachable. So choose the option that you prefer. So for some, they're already set up already. But if you like, let's say for instance, when you're busy, you want to forward your calls, tap on the when busy option, and then type in a number that you'd like to use to forward your calls for. So all you have to do is simply type in a number that you'd like to use to forward your calls for. So for me, it's preset. So you can just choose the one that you prefer. So you can delete that number and write in another one. Now once you're done, all you have to do is tap on turn on, and then give it a few seconds for it to update the settings. So it might refuse depending on the number. If it's currently an active number, it should work, but if it's an inactive number, it will not work. So we can just use this particular number that's available. So select tap on turn on, and let's see, and there you go. You've successfully set up call forwarding on your Redmi 14C. You can repeat the same steps for the other options. If you want to always forward your calls, you can tap on that, type in your number and tap on turn on, and that will enable, or rather that will set up call forwarding on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.